like ugly motherfuckers, so I can't tell.
Dude, this really does not offend me, and I honestly do
Hold
not
on,
give a shit.
let me show you something, you lame ass nigga. Chino Guaso. Chino Guaso, okay? The real Chino Guaso, for one. The real Chino. Yeah,
Do
See
I
that?
care?
The real Chino, not no dick rider. The real Chino. Okay, do you see that boy?
Do I
I know you do.
honestly care?
Hold up. Obviously you do, cause you're dick riding their clan, nigga. Why would you dick ride another nigga's clan who don't even like you? Like kill
Don't
yourself.
even like me,
Like
son.
kill
Get the
yourself.
fuck out of
He
here.
don't even like you. They was cutting you ass in the chat, boy. Are you fucking stupid? The
Dude,
only
that
reason,
wasn't even the real
nigga,
Chino
look,
for the last
the only
time.
reason, nigga, I will get Vito in here in a fucking chat tomorrow. The only reason this nigga's not, you wanna read the message?
Dude, just
What?
give it
Hold
a
on,
rest.
listen, shut the
Seriously.
fuck up, nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga, and read the message. I don't know if you're blind or not, but read the fucking message. Can't my bro's girl is sleeping. That's the only reason nigga ain't in here cutting you. That's the only reason, nigga. Cause they
Yeah,
don't
I
like you.
honestly do
They
not give a
don't
shit if
like
you got a
you.
fake Chino in
They
here or
don't
not.
like you. They don't like you, nigga. And you dick ride them so
Yeah,
hard, nigga.
no.
Like you sucking that nigga's dick like you had a last crack rod, nigga. Like, oh, nigga, give me the crack, boy. You look like that nigga on Menace Society, nigga. Talking about give me a nigga cheeseburger for sucking his dick, boy. Shut the fuck up, you lame ass nigga. Yeah, nigga, back the fuck up.